Packing a lunchbox isn't just for kids anymore. In fact, as adults, it might be even more important. Think about it. Between work, errands, and endless to-do lists, the last thing you want to stress over is a soggy, boring lunch. That's why choosing the right lunchbox can actually save your day. Not only does it keep your food fresh, but it also makes packing quick, simple, and stress-free. Today, I'll share with you the 9 best lunchboxes and bags according to meal prep experts. From bento-style boxes to insulated totes, there's something here for everyone. Let's start with the best insulated lunchboxes. These are perfect if you want your meals to stay fresh for hours. First up, the PackIt Freezable Hampton Lunch Bag. This bag is unique because the entire thing freezes overnight. Just fold it flat, pop it in the freezer, and by morning, it's ready to keep your food chilled all day. It's great for work commutes, beach days, or even long road trips. Meal prep expert Amina Lake Patel loves its design. She says it's compact, collapsible, and doesn't take up much space at all. Next, we have the Hydro Flask 5-liter insulated lunch bag. If you hate carrying heavy totes, this is a lightweight option that still keeps your food cool. It's made with water-resistant polyester, has a wipe-clean interior, and even comes with a zippered pocket. Perfect for napkins, utensils, or sauce packets. And if you need a little more space, it also comes in an 8-liter size for bigger appetites. Another great find is the Nol Natural Organic Lifestyle Lunch Bag. It's affordable, comes in multiple colors, and includes a detachable shoulder strap. That means you can wear it crossbody or carry it like a tote. Practical, stylish, and budget-friendly. Now let's move on to bento-style lunchboxes. These are perfect for variety lovers or kids who like their snacks separated. One of the most popular is the Bentgo Modern Leak-Proof Bento Box. It has multiple compartments, an adjustable divider, and a removable tray. The best part? It's microwave and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup effortless. If you're packing for kids, the Bentgo Kids 5-compartment lunchbox is a lifesaver. It's lightweight, spill-proof, and easy for little hands to open and close. Kids love the fun prints like rockets, unicorns, and fairies. Parents love that food stays securely sealed, even inside backpacks. Another kid-friendly option is the OmieBox Bento Box. What makes it special? It includes a built-in insulated thermos for hot meals, so your child can enjoy pasta, rice, or even soup at lunchtime. And because it's compact, it helps reduce food waste too. For teens and adults, the Yumbox Tapas Bento Box is fantastic. It has 5 compartments, perfect for snacks, proteins, and sides. Meal prep expert Rossini Perez says it's great for picky eaters. It keeps foods from touching and even helps contain strong smells. Another great option is the Bentgo Chill Leak-Proof Lunchbox. This one comes with a removable ice pack to keep food fresh all day. It's perfect if you don't have access to a fridge at work or school. And yes, there's a larger version for adults too. Now, let's talk about stainless steel lunchboxes. These are durable, eco-friendly, and dishwasher-safe. The Lunchbot's 3-section stainless steel container is a top pick. It's a great size for teens and older kids, and the snap-on lid adds a pop of color. Many people switch to stainless steel for safety. It's a long-lasting alternative to plastic, and it's better for the environment. So how do you choose the right lunchbox? Experts say it depends on your lifestyle. If you're busy and hate hand-washing dishes, go with stainless steel or dishwasher-safe options. If you need your food to stay cold for hours, pick an insulated bag with built-in ice packs. And if you love variety or snack-style meals, a bento box will be your best friend. Most importantly, choose a lunchbox you actually like. Because when it looks good and feels fun to carry, you're more likely to pack lunch instead of buying overpriced takeout. And that means healthier meals, less waste, and money saved. So whether you're a parent packing lunches for kids or a busy professional trying to stay organized, these 9 lunchboxes and bags can make your routine so much easier. And yes, they're pretty stylish too. If you're ready to upgrade your lunch game, check out the links in the description below. Shop through those links to grab the best deals available today. But hurry, prices may change and discounts won't last forever, so don't wait until tomorrow. Click the link, grab your new lunchbox, and make mealtime stress-free.